How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us on CNYcentral. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Mike Brookins. A bit stormy this weekend. They had some rain at times, some isolated thunderstorms. Now nothing severe. It looks like quieter weather eventually moves in early next week, but most notably will be the drop in the temperature and the humidity. It's going to be a very refreshing day coming up Monday and Tuesday, but we still could be dealing with some precipitation, at least on Monday. But the headline, what to expect tomorrow. Some cooler, less humid weather. Temperatures will be in the 70s, below average, by about 5 or 6 degrees. The humidity, though, that drops from dew points in the 60s. They'll fall into the 50s. Looking ahead to Tuesday, should be a dry day here. In fact, I think we'll see 2 in a row with nice conditions. That low humidity sticking around. A partly to mostly sunny sky on Tuesday, mostly to partly sunny and dry for Wednesday. And by Wednesday, we should get temperatures back up into the 80s. The dew point has been up there around 65 on the comfort scale. The dew point's the measure of the moisture in the air. That'll be coming down a little bit more comfortable when it gets down into the 50s and maybe even 40s. Won't sweat quite as much. And this is as of taping time, the dew point temperature map. And we've actually got a cold front coming through central New York. That cold front's pushing in the drier air. Behind it, the dew points really drop off. 68-degree dew point in Albany, 65 in Syracuse. Look at this, already dew points in the lower 50s out towards Buffalo and Toronto. That's the nice sleeping weather that we have coming in here as we go through the late night hours. Now the front's still in our vicinity, so it is sparking off some spotty showers and thunderstorms. The thunderstorms being very isolated. I don't think we're going to get anything severe for this evening, but the front moving through, bringing in the air mass change. Behind it, there's still this low pressure system spinning around, and that's moving to the northeast, not in our direction. But this lobe of moisture down to the south over Michigan, Ohio, and Indiana, that's going to swing on in during the daytime tomorrow. There's a lot of cool air in place in the upper levels here, and as that moves over us and we get some sunshine at times tomorrow morning, we'll percolate up the clouds and likely develop some of these rain showers here locally. Now, they'll likely be isolated to scattered in nature, so even in the afternoon, not a washout, but there will be a threat for a shower or thunderstorm. We'll show you how it plays out and time it out on our Futurecast here, starting at 2 o'clock in the morning, doing a good job to show our skies clearing up, cleaning up, I should say. A partly cloudy sky developing by late at night. So variably cloudy here, turning partly cloudy. Some patchy fog will be around, and yeah, that's slightly cooler weather moving in. We'll drop down into the 50s for tonight. Fog could be a little bit dense in spots as we work through the overnight. Starting off tomorrow, some patchy fog early on. We'll find a partly sunny sky. Maybe at times it could be a mixture of sunshine and clouds, and then popping up there, some isolated showers or thunderstorms going into the midday and especially afternoon. This little front swinging on through, providing that chance. And there's probably still a threat for an isolated shower into the evening. And then overnight Monday night, there'll be some lake effect rain showers. They'll be spotty and light for the most part. And I think that does clear out and we see an end to the precipitation by Tuesday. Now, Tuesday morning, there still may be a couple of odd light lake effect rain showers east of Lake Ontario, well to the northeast of the city of Syracuse, but it's not going to be much. And I think around metro area, we should be dry for Tuesday. High temperature on Monday in the 70s and likely in Tuesday as well in the 70s with low humidity. So nice. Patchy fog develops, a low temperature of 58, so it's cooler. And our skies turning partly cloudy and dry during the second half of the night. Sunshine and clouds, partly sunny in the morning, then in the afternoon, a bit breezy. We'll top out at 76, and there'll be a few showers and thunderstorms. For Tuesday, partly to mostly sunny, 78. 83 on Wednesday, mostly to partly sunny, still dry, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms with higher humidity on Thursday. Have a great night.